Hello and welcome to the lecture on Boomi Community. I am happy to have you in this lecture. The objective of the lecture is to help you understand Boomi Community in detail. So without wasting at the moment, let's dive deep into the subject. Alright, welcome back. So in this lecture, we are going to explore one of the most underrated but extremely powerful parts of Boomi ecosystem, the Boomi Community. If you are new to Boomi, the community is honestly one of the best places to learn, ask questions, find solutions and connect with other people who are also learning or already an experts. So let's get into it. So how to access the Boomi Community? First thing first, let me show you where you can find it. You just open your browser and go to community.boomi.com. That's it. No complex navigation, no long menus. It's a direct link. If you already have a Boomi account for trial or enterprise, just log in. If not, you can still browse a lot of content which is publicly available. Alright, now let's walk through what you can actually do inside this community. So what is the Boomi Community? Think of Boomi Community like a big friendly neighborhood of Boomi users. It's a place where you can ask questions, you can read discussions, you can follow people and topics. You can get answers faster than official support sometimes, You can even find ready-made solutions for many problems you're facing while learning. It's basically your 24/7 learning space outside this course. So why you should use it? Let me explain the purpose in a very simple way. So when you work with Boomi, even at a conceptual level, you will come across questions like, how does this connector behave? Why is my process not triggering? Is there a best practice for this? How do I handle a specific error? Is someone doing this integration already, or is someone is doing same integration in a better way? The Boomi Community help you answer exactly these kind of questions, and it saves time, it avoids frustration, it gives you confidence. It also connects you with real people who are doing the same work. So this community is active and supportive, and that's a huge advantage for any learner. What you will find inside the community? So let's walk through the key areas you should remember as a beginner. First is the forums and the discussion. This is where people post real problems, real answers, real use cases. So as a beginning, just read these threads which will help you understand how people think about integration problems. What kind of solution work in the real world, what common mistakes to avoid, how the Boomi runtime behaves, how connectors are used in practical scenarios. I always tell students, even you don't post anything, spend 10 minutes daily just reading it and you'll learn more than you expect. Then next is the knowledge articles. These are officially help style articles published by Boomi, but with more explanation and examples. So you'll see best practices, tips and tricks, advanced concepts explained in simple terms, troubleshooting guides, recently updated technical topics. This is especially helpful when you need conceptual clarity. Next is videos, tutorials and webinars. So Boomi frequently publishes, short learning videos, product update videos, webinars on new features, deep dive sessions. If you're someone who prefer to learn visually, this is basically the gold. Next is templates, patterns and shared solutions. Sometimes community members share some sample process designs, common integration patterns, useful functions, error handling logic, connector examples, best practice checklist. You can literally take these ideas and apply them in your learning or future projects. Next is announcement section. Here you will find new feature releases, deprecation or the changes, security updates, maintenance schedules, new connector or upgrades, terminology change updates. If you ever want to stay up to date with Boomi, this is where you go. And how student can use the community effectively? Let me give you a simple roadmap for using the Boomi Community as a learner. I recommend you to follow this step. Step 1. Search before you ask. The most beginner think their problem is unique. Trust me, 90% of the time someone has already asked it. So use the search bar. You'll be surprised how fast you can find the solution. Step 2. Follow topics you care about. For beginners, follow integration basics, connectors, API management, automation, process design patterns and the best practices. This makes your feed personalized. Step 3. Save good answers. Whenever you find something useful, save it or bookmark it. This will help you build your own reference library. Step 4. Ask questions, even basic ones. Don't hesitate. People in the community are really friendly. If you feel stuck, post what you're trying to do, what you've already checked and error messages if any. You usually get replies within hours. The last step is participate. When you become comfortable, start helping others. Even you just share what worked for you, it improves your understanding. Also, teaching is the best way to learn. Why community matters in your Boomi learning path? As you progress from learning fundamentals to seeing real world scenarios, The community become your ongoing guide, right? It supports you in area like, learning best practice early, avoid incorrect designs, understand runtime behaviors, troubleshoot some real-time scenarios, growing faster compared to learning alone. Even after finishing the course, the community will stay with you throughout your integration journey. So that's the Boomi community, your support system, your Q&A partner, your learning buddy. Use it often, use it smartly, and trust me, it will save you hours and make your learning journey much smoother. In the next lecture, we'll continue building your understanding of the Boomi ecosystem. Let's move forward. So I hope you're now familiar with Boomi community. Well, that's the end of the session, so let's wrap it up. By now, you should be able to explain Boomi community in your own terms. Thank you so much for your attention listening till the end. I wish you a fantastic day. Bye and take care.